So when you got a taste for soft serve ice cream, but you a vegan, and it's like, well, where would I get some soft serve ice cream? Well, you gotta make it yourself, but not just any old soft serve. It's the Dole pineapple whip soft serve ice cream that originated in Disneyland. Watch how I make it. So, I got some powdered monk fruit sweetener, coconut, banana, lime, and pineapple. These are the ingredients that I can use. And I'm gonna put those in my blender and make this Dole pineapple whip soft serve. So excited. This right here looks good. It looks fabulous. And I bet you it tastes even better. So let's see how it tastes, right? Okay. Ooh. It's melting. Oh my God. I turn it around. It's melting, y'all. 100% vegan. Guilt-free. It's so good. Oh my God. When you got a taste for soft serve, you just can't have it just any old soft serve. You gotta have the Dole pineapple whip soft serve. Originated from Disneyland. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Disneyland.